Okay, changing out my fender lining on the 2015 Dodge Ram pickup. I think that's what it's called, I'm not for sure. Take this here plastic piece off. It's 5/16 socket. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws to take out, and look like this. One there and one there. So when you get those out, you should be able to take the fender lining out. And let's see, you got one push in right there. And after that, it should all come out. Get this one. Oh, and I missed this one. Got one more push in right there. Okay. Also, you got 2 push-ins right here. Here that need to be taken out. There. Okay. Once you get those out, should come out then. And when you get it off, it should look like this here, all open. Make sure you put this back in the new one liner. Push this one back in. I push in to go in here. That's about it. And get ready to do everything in reverse. And there we go. We got the new liner on, all back in place. All the screws are in. And I noticed on my new one, it's a few spots that I had like 1 or 2 of those push-ins left over. I don't know, because it's, I don't know, just made different, I guess. But it fit. Everything bolted right back up. Like I said, it's nice and new now, or whatever. I had to replace it because I run 12 wide rims on it in the summertime, 12.5-inch rims in the summertime. And when you make that turn, when you make a turn, sharp turn or whatever, on both sides of the rub, just and break it all out, whatever. And at that point, you have to replace it. If not, you fall. It'll throw rocks up in there, bust your fog light. But it's back on, nice and new, and should be good to go now. And it's all done. Tiger back on the ground. Oh, shoot. Looking nice and new. I did the driver's side too. Also, that was the passenger side I did. I didn't record a video for the driver's side, but it's the same process. Yep, nice and simple, and that'll do it.